Welcome. In this very quick new chapter, we are going to discuss what exactly is going to come up in this LinkedIn Mastery Program. What makes this LinkedIn Mastery Program such an amazing program, one-stop shop for all the sales, marketing professional, career enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, business owners, founders, and CEOs. So, without any further ado, let's go to the system and understand the things in details. The first and foremost thing, you'll be understanding why LinkedIn is so important for business and career. No matter if you are a student looking out for a career, a corporate career, how LinkedIn can help you to grab premium recruiters. If you're a founder CEO looking out for an investor, looking out for your next funding, how you can use LinkedIn. If you are someone looking out to build a personal brand as a founder or as a departmental head or as an author, how you can use LinkedIn. If you are somebody who is a freelancer looking out to collaborate for opportunities, you want to hunt international global clients, no matter what is your freelance service. You might be a web developer, web designer, you might be a writer, you might be a creative designer, you might be a video production, or you are a digital marketer. No matter what, how exactly you can use LinkedIn as a business and career. Create a LinkedIn killer profile. Trust me, LinkedIn profile is something that will create your very first impression. What are the different algorithms, how to exactly use ChatGPT to understand what is the best converting profile that can help you to grab as many as prospects as you can via LinkedIn. LinkedIn is technically a business tool. You have to ensure that when your potential prospect is actively looking for a service, your profile should pop up. What are the algorithms and how you can optimize your LinkedIn profile as per the algorithm, starting from optimizing your display picture to optimizing your about us, the summary, how can optimize the URL of your LinkedIn. Next comes the some of the eye-opening LinkedIn stats. We'll understand how to build a LinkedIn persona. Who exactly are you going to target? There are around more than 1 billion people on LinkedIn, but who exactly is your profile, customer profile? We'll be using AI tool to research LinkedIn marketing topics. This particular chapter is one of my favorites. We'll be learning the art. We'll be learning the art how to look out for those hidden topics, the hidden desires, the unspoken words that your prospects use while buying a product and service, and how you can convert those words and keywords and phrases, emotions into topics so that you grab your attention, client's attention on LinkedIn, and how your profile can go viral. ChatGPT prompt to create social media calendar. Of course, we'll be seeing how to build a social media calendar. It's going to help you a lot to build your own social media planner. No matter if you're a freelancer, if you are a company leader looking out to build your personal brand, or if you have a product and service that you want to market on LinkedIn, we'll see how to research audience from ChatGPT and LinkedIn search. Let's say, for example, you are selling a software. What are the industries desperately looking to implement that software in their organization? What is the department? In which geography this specific industry is trending, spending a lot of money on innovation? Plus, we'll see who are the decision makers and how you can use ChatGPT and LinkedIn to figure this out. We'll be using free methodologies. Trust me, it's one of the most proven methodologies that more than 5,000 of my students are using right now. Free methods to find clients for your B2B services on LinkedIn. How to create converting connecting messages. Your first message creates a hell lot of impression. It is said that first impression is the last impression. How you can create a very contextual and personalized message for your prospect that the prospect just can't resist to accept your request. LinkedIn marketing blueprint will understand what are the different distribution channels over LinkedIn that will help you a lot to reach out to more and more people with low cost. Then comes, we'll see how to utilize your day schedule, because we get a lot of message and say, sir, we are marketers, we are into sales, we are already busy. How you can just put in 100 minutes every day on LinkedIn, and how you can implement that LinkedIn mastery blueprint, how you can effectively prioritize your task on LinkedIn. No matter if you're looking out for prospects, you want to build a personal brand, or you want to grow your network. How to nurture your prospects on LinkedIn, how to nurture your prospects, because it's just not only about connecting someone. You have to ensure that your prospect is not going to buy you the day they meet you for the first time. How you can build that impression, how you can nurture them. Checklist to post on LinkedIn. LinkedIn post is one of the best ways to create a visibility. But what are the algorithms that you need to satisfy while publishing on LinkedIn? Using LinkedIn groups for business. Trust me running a marketing agency since 5 years, right? And me being a coach and consultant as a digital marketer since 7 years, I have pretty much leveraged a lot when it comes to LinkedIn group. So I'm going to teach some of my insider techniques here. Remote jobs on LinkedIn, no matter if you are a housewife, student, and looking out for a remote job, no matter if you're a freelancer looking out for a remote job, maybe you are looking for, maybe you are somewhere across the globe and you are looking out to crack a job with a high paying salary as a work from home, then this particular module is for you. Cracking marketing services for client LinkedIn. See, if you are a marketing services agency owner, if you are a freelancer dealing in marketing services, this particular module is going to help you around 10 different ways how you can promote your marketing services, find prospects, and eventually close them using LinkedIn. We'll use a LinkedIn search operator's Boolean search to find marketing services projects. We will see how to use different keywords to find out the fresh new opportunities around digital marketing services and how you can start engaging with the project owners. How to bypass the limited messaging feature. LinkedIn has a specific uh, feature limitations, right? So you cannot message a lot of people with a free account. I will teach you how you can bypass that. Ultimately, the showstopper of this particular program, the complete detailed step by step program on Sales Navigator. If you are into sales, marketing, business professional, Sales Navigator is a premium tool that will help you with advanced filters to prospect clients for your B2B services. So what are you still waiting for? Let's hop out the new chapter and understand all the modules in details. See you in my next chapter. Thank you so much.